Welcome to Chris Palmer SEO, my YouTube channel, where I help train SEOs and marketers just like you to achieve better rankings and more traffic for all of your websites. Over the years, I have learned hundreds, if not thousands, of white hat and gray hat SEO techniques and methods and strategies to help my and my clients' websites achieve better rankings. So what I've done is I have decided to create this channel to help share all of the knowledge that I've learned with you. On my channel, you will find nothing but SEO tips, SEO strategies and methods, anything that will help you achieve better rankings and more traffic and earn more revenue. That's what this channel is all about. In my personal opinion, SEO and digital marketing is the most powerful channel in the world, and that's why I've dedicated my time and this channel to exactly that. So if you want to grow your business online, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any knowledge and information that I look forward to sharing with you. I hope to see you in some of my next videos.